Welcome back to Home Lifestyle and Decor. Today I am going to show you another way to decorate your plain glass vase. Before we start, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. This is absolutely free and doesn't take much time either. To make this peacock design, I have taken a paper cutout to make it easier. We'll fix it with cello tape and draw the outline with the 3D outliner. Now that the peacock outline is done, for the feathers I am using the glitter outliner. Now the most important part, eyes of the peacock, using the black glass outliner for this. Now all the outlines are complete. It will need 2-3 hours to dry completely. I'll be using Fevicryl glass paint to fill up, blue for the peacock's body, orange glass paint and a green stone set on it while the paint is still wet for the center of each feather. Need to fill up with the green glass paint for each of the feather. I'll add some details on the feathers with the golden glass outliner. You must ensure that the paint is completely dry before doing this. Now we'll add some potpourri and a string light to make it a statement. Hope you liked the idea. Do share your feedback through the comment section below. Keep watching. Thank you.